In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Fresha link following our comprehensive 2025 guide. Sharing your Fresha booking link is a fantastic way to engage with clients and streamline your appointment scheduling process, ensuring that your services are just a click away. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to log into your Fresha account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy and access the portal on a compatible device. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on the profile icon located, usually in the upper right corner of your dashboard. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Profile. This will take you to your public profile page where you can manage and share your content. Once you're on your professional profile page, look for the share icon. This icon typically looks like a box with an arrow pointing upwards, something similar that you might have seen on other platforms. Click on this share icon to reveal options that will allow you to send your Fresha link to different platforms. Here you will find several sharing choices, including the option to copy the link directly to your clipboard. This is incredibly handy if you want to paste your link into a messaging app, an email, or any text-based communication tool. Now let's focus on the sharing step. By selecting Copy Link, you're placing the link in your clipboard, ready to paste wherever you want. Think creatively here. You can add this link in various places that maximize your visibility. Consider pasting it into a chat window for easy sending, dropping it into an email to a new client, or even adding it to your Instagram bio for increased exposure on social media. It's also a great addition to your website, ensuring visitors can seamlessly book appointments directly from your page. If you'd like to share your link quickly on a social media platform, Fresha makes this easy too. You might notice buttons specific to popular social platforms right there in the share menu. These buttons are designed for instant sharing, providing a fast and efficient method to get your link viewed by more potential clients. Whether it's Facebook, Twitter, or even LinkedIn, these tools are there to ensure your services are just a click away for your network. That's all it takes to share your Fresha link, keeping your appointment book full and your clients happy with effortless booking. We hope this guide has made the process of sharing your Fresha link clear and simple. Thank you for joining today, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.